Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XSE. Now the most notable features on this XSE is its power moonroof. You also have your kick assist power sliding doors. You also have your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XSE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XSE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 20-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot warning indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you through. There's another vehicle right beside you. You have the kick assist power sliding rear doors, so if you just kick underneath the side there, it'll actually open up the doors for you automatically. Second row captain seats, you also have the sunshade visors located in your second row windows. And one of the nice things with the all new Sienna is that it has this bar that basically goes from the top all the way down to the bottom, making things a little bit easier for people who have a hard time actually getting into the vehicle. That way they have something sturdy to actually grab onto. Underneath, they'll find the close button. All you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, the door does have the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop from opening. And if you want to open it from the outs, or close it, sorry, from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray, and taking a closer look now at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left-hand side, you have your traction control on and off, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, back, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. You have the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features which include your digital speedometer with the distance to empty, fuel economy. You can scroll through and take a look at your lane departure alert with your compass, audio, energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring with the trip info, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Now it has an exterior temperature gauge as well as a digital clock on there as well. Taking a look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on there. So taking a closer look inside the menu screen, you're going to see your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Inside the apps menu, it's part of the Intune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, you do have the Sirius XM satellite radio on here, dual zone climate control settings with the rear temperature controls located down below. As you can see, you also have the heated seat controls for your driver and passenger. And you also have a shelf that extends from your driver's side all the way to your passenger side where you can place smaller items, or if you want, you can actually place your phone there and have it connected to the USB. It's mounted to an automatic transmission. As you can see, you have the drive mode with the EV mode. And then taking a closer look at the top here, you have your auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opener controls. Open and close for the power sliding rear doors, as well as the power moonroof, power liftgate release, SOS Safe Connect. And then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, taking a look just on the back, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located just in the center. Now, you have the kick assist feature, so if you just kick underneath the rear bumper, it'll actually open up for you automatically. Closing in, as you can see, you have the 60-40 split for the rear seat, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. But even with the 40 side down, you still have plenty of cargo space located on the left-hand side and down below. And one of the other nice things is that you do have a power adjustable tailgate, so all you have to do is hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds the height you'd like it at. It'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times. Then when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this maximum height. Now, like I was saying before, you do have the kick assist feature for the power tailgate, so this works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure that you have the key fob on you at all times. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.